Good evening, everyone. Dr. Smith here. I hope you're all well. This message comes to you from my undisclosed location where I've been enjoying your discussion posts for this class. I hope those of you who've not yet posted will find time to do so this week. This afternoon, I posted 2 new discussion posts, so let me know if you have any questions. Vietnam War essays are due in next week on April 6th. Submission is by Canvas, but I hope you all will take time to send any drafts, outlines, or questions for constructive feedback. So please take advantage of that. Now I move on to the quotation for the week, which I will read. But these events, tragic as they are, portend neither the end of the world nor of America's leadership in the world. Before you ask, no, I'm not referring to the coronavirus, nor will I be running for elected office. In fact, these were the words of President Gerald Ford. Remember him? This was 45 years ago at the end of the Vietnam War, after the fall of Saigon. So in place of this week's scheduled lecture, I'm going to leave you with the following reminder. Don't forget to post on discussion board, and I will be in touch soon. Until then, take care.